Hey, have you ever looked at someone and thought, damn, I wish I could do that? Play guitar like a pro, speak a new language, get fit, cook amazing food, or just get really good at your job. Most people think you need years of hard work or some special talent. But what if I told you there's an easiest way to get shockingly good at almost anything in just 20 hours? Stick with me for the next 6 minutes, and I'll show you exactly how normal people like you and me are doing it. You know that feeling? You buy a guitar, watch 10 YouTube videos, practice for 3 days, then it goes in the corner collecting dust. Or you join the gym in January and quit by February. We've all been there. The reason? We're doing it wrong. Today I'm giving you the simple system that actually works. Everyone talks about the 10,000-hour rule. But here's the truth. You don't need to be world-class to feel amazing and get respect from people. You just need to be good enough that people go, whoa, you're actually good at this. And research shows you can reach that level in about 20 hours if you do it smart. Not 10 years, not even 1 year, 20 focused hours. Step 1, pick one thing and break it down. Don't say, I want to learn guitar. Say, I want to play 3 songs properly. Write down the exact smallest skills you need. For guitar, learn chords, simple strumming, and 1 easy song. That's it. Step 2, remove every stupid barrier. Keep your guitar on a stand right in front of the TV, not in the cupboard. Make it so easy that you have no excuse. If you want to get fit, keep your shoes and water bottle by the door. Want to learn English? Keep Duolingo on your home screen. Make starting feel like nothing. Step 3, practice the right way, not just repeating mistakes. Spend the first 5-10 minutes watching someone good do it slowly. Then copy them. Make mistakes, fix them immediately. Don't just mindlessly repeat. Focus on getting a little better each session. Step 4, do 20 hours. That's it. 20 hours is just 1 hour a day for 3 weeks, or 30 minutes a day for 40 days. Anyone can do that. I've seen people learn basic guitar, start conversations in a new language, or lose the first 5-7 kg, all in 20 focused hours. My friend Rohan always wanted to learn guitar. He used to watch professionals and feel bad. Then he applied this. He learned 4 basic chords and 1 Bollywood song in 20 hours. Now whenever there's a party, everyone asks him to play. He's not a rock star, but he's the guy who can play. People love it. Or my cousin who wanted to cook. She didn't try to become master chef. She learned 5 easy recipes really well. Now her family actually prefers her food over restaurants on weekends. Simple. You don't need talent, you need the right system. Biggest mistakes people make: trying to learn everything at once, practicing only when they feel motivated, quitting when it feels hard in the beginning. The magic happens after the first 5-10 hours when it starts getting fun. Push through that awkward beginning phase. Remember, the person who practices 20 hours smartly will beat the person who practices 100 hours randomly. So right now, comment below. What skill do you want to master in the next 30 days? I read every comment. If you want more simple, practical advice that actually works for normal people, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Like this video if you're going to try the 20-hour method. Share it with that one friend who keeps saying they want to learn something but never starts. You've got this. Start today. 20 hours from now, you'll be a different person. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.